Hello students, today's topic is DML command. So what is DML command? DML command is basically data manipulation language. Data manipulation language where we can change the values which is in your table. Values, not structure of your table. So there are some DML commands available. One is select. Select command is basically used to retrieve the values from your table. Insert command is basically used to insert value in your table. Update to change the existing data which is in your table, and delete to delete a record from your table. So our today's topic is insert. So how we can insert? So first of all, what is insert? The insert statement is used to add row to a table. Means we already created a table. Now suppose you want to insert some value in it. So you have to use value means one statement or one record if you want to insert in it. So that you can insert through insert statement. The syntax for insert statement is insert into table name, values, first value, second value, and so on. Now first of all, how we will find out our previous database, or how we will check the database, our table. So first of all, you have to write root as a password. Now check your tables or your database. So first of all, database. So show databases and put semicolon. You will find the list of databases which is available in your MySQL. Now our previous database is APS. So how we can open the APS database? Use APS and semicolon. Now suppose here we want to create a table. So you can create table class 11th. Our table name is class 11th. Now in class 11th, I am going to create school number which is in the form of integer. Then second is name which is in the form of varchar. Phone which is in the form of varchar. And last one is your address which is in the form of varchar. Now afterward you will find one query OK option. It means your table is created. Suppose you want to check your databases. So again you have to write show databases. Now if you want to check, suppose tomorrow again I want to check that particular table is available or not in MySQL. You have to first of all open the database. So use APS. Now how you can check the table is available in database? You have to write show tables. Show tables tables. So you will find one class, your previous created table is student, and one class 11th जो कि हमने आज create की. Now how you can open class 11th? So you write DESC class 11th. First of all, you have to check what is in your class 11th table. So my table name is CLAS 11. So you have to write DESC CLAS 11. You will find all the fields. Now my topic is how to insert value in it. So you can write INSERT, insert into. Your table name is CLAS 11 and values. Put round bracket. Your first value is in the form of integers. So don't write quotes. You can write directly 101. My suppose first school number is 101. Then second name. So name in the form of text. So you have to write, you have to use quotes like Amit. The next one is phone. You can write phone number. Phone number can be 91 dash these. So this you can write in again quotes, put comma, and last is address. You have to write Delhi. Put semicolon. This semicolon basically for execution of your table, and press enter. Now you will get one OK message that one row affected. Now how you can check that data is available in your table is not available or not. So my next command is select. This select statement is used to form a query for extracting information out of the database or a table. It means the select statement is basically used to extract value from a database or a table. So how you can write? Can write select your attribute name from table, or you can write directly like, for example, I want to select data from class 11. So you can write select asterisk. Asterisk means all the records from your table name. Table name is class 11. When you execute this query, you will find your last inserted value in it. So now you can check that 101 is available in your table. That's all for today. Thank you.